Access to healthcare is vital because, these are the things which will allow us to live a full life. Life is priceless. Once it's lost, it's lost. Traditionally, you think of becoming a doctor or being a nurse, but there's so many other ways where we can create an impact, and we're able to do so using drones and AWS technology. It's such a beautiful machine.
I remember when I saw it the first time, I saw it on the sky. And that thing is just not a bird.
In Malawi, we use drones to deliver medical supplies such as vaccines to 3.5 million people.
Easily on a normal day, we can get up to 30 to 40 flights. We just got a call that polio vaccines need to be delivered at once. Right now, there's been a little outbreak going on. This place is usually hot, and the samples may go bad because of the temperature. So we have cold chain boxes to keep content inside code, and then we load cargo onto the aircraft.
The drone will hover up, and then it switches to flying like a plane. The challenge from a technical perspective is flying where the pilot is not able to see the aircraft, flying beyond line of sight. How we've done this is the aircraft connect via both cellular networks and satellite networks up to AWS as an IoT thing, which gives us that ability to fly out long distances to regional and remote areas.
In Malawi, getting to the hospital to get medication can be a very difficult journey. We have some fuel shortages, or the ambulance are completely broken down, flooding, bridges broken. It can easily be a 12-hour trip. But with our drone, we're able to cut the time down to 45 minutes.
Kumazina njirira mbale wanga nakubereka kena kumagazi ntupi nkuta kuthawa magazi ntupi.
Sanjay District Hospital didn't have her blood type. The neighboring district did, but it's a 4-hour trip.
Lorani kuluza mo. Tema gwisa nchiro ya ujinio kandege kena kaki.
From getting aircrafts ready to flying to actually delivering, we did that in a space of an hour.
Magazi wanabwera. Indarabwera anathandizidwa bwino bwino.
That's a direct example of actually saving a life.
What we've done so far is quickly growing. We want to continue expanding around the world. But how do we actually make this efficient in all these remote areas? One of the real advantages in using AWS is the scalability. They've got all that mix of services easily on hand, giving pilots access to low latency connection. This provides that really fast response time and reliable communications to the drone.
I really think for these drones, they will help in our community because time is very important.
It really helps because they get what they're supposed to get at the time. At a point of time, I saved the life. So it's something amazing.
It really changes your perspective. So I'm just now a lot more conscious about what it really means to be human. It's important to bridge the gap between the need of healthcare and actually providing access to it. It's just amazing to be a part of helping make a better tomorrow.